let us finish our discussion of section 9.3. We have few problems left. Please take a look at problem number 3. A group of 8 people are attending the movies together. 2 of the 8 people insist of sitting together. In how many ways can the 8 be seated in a row? We did this problem last time, but just to warm up, let us do it once again. Folks, any idea how do we solve this problem?
7 factorial.
And what is the reason?
Because in each seat there can only be 7 people because the 2 of them are considered 1.
Guys, do you agree?
It might be 7 factorial times 2 because the 2 people can sit in different orders.
Absolutely. It's not actually 7 factorial, it's 7 factorial times 2. Because if we call these 2 people person A and person B, we have 2 possibilities, AB and BA. In both cases, they sit together. So it's not 7 factorial, it's 7 factorial times 2. Now 3b, 2 of the people do not like each other and do not want to sit side by side. Now how many ways can the 8 people be seated in a row? Anybody?
I think it's 2 times 4 factorial.
2 times 4 factorial, why is that?
Well, because so they're together in, it's one person and there's a person in between each of the people. And so you have
just one person in between or 2?
So if they were male and female, I would say, well, you can do it by I'll just do it by A and B. You can say A, B, A, B, A, B. But it can't be like that. The A's can't be together, for example. Right, I think.
So how many people do you think will be in between?
So sorry, that's wrong. I was thinking that they were all couples and they didn't want to be by each other. But
no. So just 2 people.
2 people, okay, and they don't want to sit side by side.
Mm-hmm.
So that means that they're. Shoot, I have to think about it.
Anybody else?
Would that be 8 factorial minus 2 times 7 factorial? No, just
absolutely. It's 8 factorial minus 2 times 7 factorial, because the total number of arrangements is 8 factorial. We're talking about permutations. And then we subtract the result from 3a. Okay, you can think about the rest at home, similar problems.